Hi, welcome. Thanks for joining me. On this episode of Build Your Own, we're going to take a quick first look review of the new upcoming 2021 Mustang Mach-E crossover SUV, and we're going to do a little configuration of one as well. Before we do that, however, I just want to remind you that if you find this build and price review helpful, informative, or entertaining, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. The 2021 Ford Mustang Mach-E is inspired by the automaker's unmistakable pony car and powered exclusively by electricity. Although it shares a name and familiar styling cues with the Mustang, the all-electric crossover otherwise is completely unrelated. With two available battery sizes and either rear or all-wheel drive, Ford says the Mach-E can provide up to 300 miles of driving range. Its 5-passenger cabin is fitted with contemporary features and cutting-edge infotainment options, as well as some unique cargo and storage solutions. While purists might call an electric Mustang crossover sacrilegious, Ford expects the name and design adaptation to increase interest and help sell copies when the 2021 Mach-E goes on sale in late 2020. The 2021 Mustang Mach-E is Ford's first all-electric crossover, and it was designed and named after the company's iconic pony car. The Mach-E also pays homage to the Mach 1 moniker that has been used on high-performance Mustangs of old. Ford said it went with the name because it needed the electrified crossover to be as desirable as a Tesla to usher in its new era of electric vehicles. The 2021 Mustang Mach-E is an all-electric crossover SUV available in 5 distinct trim levels. As we can see here, the base model Select has an MSRP, a starting price of $43,895. Then there's the Premium that starts at $50,600. There's the California Route 1 that starts at $52,400. There's the GT that starts at $60,500, and last but not least, there's the first edition, which starts at $59,900. When the 2021 Mustang Mach-E finally goes on sale, I choose the premium model that starts at $50,600. It's expected to provide 300 miles of driving range when paired with the extended range battery and rear-wheel drive, but I'd still choose the all-wheel drive version, which knocks its estimated range down to 270 miles. Compared with the base model, the Mach-E Premium has a more powerful fast charging capability. It has 19-inch wheels, a Bang & Olufsen sound system, a panoramic sunroof, and a power liftgate. The 2021 Mustang Mach-E has an EPA estimated range of between 210 and 300 miles depending on the battery pack and type of electric motors. Every model also has fast charging capability. Ford claims it will have the largest charging network in the United States, even larger than Tesla. Its network will include 12,000 charging stations with a total of 35,000 stations in the US and some parts of Canada. Every Mach-E comes out of the box with a Ford mobile charger that can add up to 30 miles of range per night with a 120-volt outlet and up to 80% of battery life overnight with a 240-volt outlet. A Ford charge station can also be ordered online and installed by certified electricians with the ability to replenish 32 miles per hour and recharge the battery overnight. Okay, let's jump into this build and price. Well, it's not really a price. I guess we do know the prices. I don't know if they're going to give us the exact price after we build and price, but let's jump into this first look review, whatever it's going to be. Build and price, first look review, whatever. Let's jump into it, taking a look at this 2021 Mustang Mach-E. All right. Now we know obviously that Ford is gunning directly for Tesla. I think they're trying to compete directly with the Tesla Model S. And I recently did a build and price of the 2020 Tesla Model S with autopilot. So if you're interested in that video, I'll go ahead and put a link up in the corner right now. Okay, so it looks like we can actually check the exterior colors for the 2021 Ford Mustang Mach-E. This color here that they're showing is called Rapid Red. There's Star White. This is called Infinite Blue. This color here is called Carbonized. Here we have Shadow Black. We can see the card changing. Iconic Silver. What other colors do we have? And then we have, finally, Space White. None of the colors exactly look like their names, but maybe it's just the website. Maybe it's just the website. I don't know. Let's take a quick 360 view, though, real fast. Okay, so here it is. We can do a 3D a virtual walk around of the 2021 Mustang Mach-E. We can see that it has a transparent roof. It's very cool. I guess this might be that one white color. It looks very nice. It's actually very attractive, all-electric crossover SUV. It's easily as attractive as the Tesla Model S, for sure. Easily that. Okay, so we did that. We did the 360 view. Yeah, you can see down here it says configure your premium. So we will have a chance to configure a premium. I don't know if they're going to, well, we know that the price starts at, what was that? $50,900? Let's check. The premium was $50,600. So, yeah, I guess we're going to do a build-in price of the 2021 Mustang Mach-E Premium then. Yeah. Okay, let's find out about some of these features of the 2021 Mustang Mach-E. So seamlessly connected tech. They're going to tell us to learn more. So it says the Mach-E features connected tech designed to provide a driving experience. So driver profile and personalization. So the Mach-E recognizes you as soon as you get close using your phone as a key. Then it automatically adjusts the seats, mirrors, radio, lighting, instrument panel, just the way you like it. Then there's something about driving experiences. Oh, real quick, look at this. Look at the infotainment system or display or whatever screen. It's literally the size of a Tesla's. It looks just like it. So yeah, Ford's definitely going after them. Anyway, drive experience. It says your Mustang Mach-E will match your mood. You can select your drive experience to fit the moment. So that's interior sound, lighting, and even the responsiveness will adjust to your style. There you go. All right, let's move on. What else is there? Driving ease with the next generation of Ford Sync. All right, so there it is. It's intuitive, smartphone, user-friendly. There it is. Other highlights include cloud-connected navigation, customizable cluster screen, premium 15.5-inch touchscreen, all that kind of stuff. Let's see. Is there anything else about the Ford Sync? Let's find out. Okay, here's a little bit of information. So Ford's next generation Sync infotainment system uses machine learning to fully customize each driver's experience. Currently, it supports 3 driver profiles. We were kind of learning about that just above. And 1 guest. The 2021 Mustang Mach-E runs the software through a vertically mounted, and yeah, we could see that. Where was that? Right here. That vertically mounted 15.5-inch touchscreen that allows for easy access to the system's array of apps and features. A benefit of the system is that Ford will roll out over-the-air updates over time, just like Tesla's doing, constantly improving the system and adding new content. Top features include Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a mobile Wi-Fi hotspot, and Bang & Olufsen audio system, which I already mentioned. Okay, other stuff. Let's see. Confidence driving technologies. Yeah, we're going to, of course, learn more about these as well, so let's just do that real fast. There's just 3. There's just 3 of them. So we already learned about 1. Now we're on number 2. So let's do it. Okay, so really what this is all about, it's all about Ford Copilot 360, and that's Ford's suite of safety technologies. Of course, we're not going to watch the video, but that includes Ford Copilot 360 2.0, and that comes with all this stuff. Pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking. Cross-traffic blind spot emergency system, or blind spot information system, that's what BLIS stands for, with cross-traffic alert. Lane keeping system, rear view camera, auto high beams, reverse brake assist, post-collision braking, and reverse sensing system. So, yeah, there it is. Active park assist. This is the intelligent adaptive cruise control. Yeah, a whole slew of features, safety technology, they're packing into this 2021 Ford Mustang Mach-E. Last but not least, on this little section here, they're telling us about innovative features. So let's check out the innovative features. Okay, here we go. Innovative features. Phone as a key with Ford Pass. No more fumbling with a fob. Use your phone as a key so you can unlock your doors, engage the remote start feature, open the lift gate, locate your parked vehicle, activate the panic alarm in welcome mode, open and close doors, operate in temporary valet mode. Then there's this thing called e-latch system. What does this thing do? Let's see. Its streamlined appearance. It recognizes you. It will present an illuminated button. Then one simple touch opens the door. It knows when you leave too and locks itself. Okay, so electronic latch system. Okay, kind of cool, but yeah, whatever. We can move on. I do like that they're offering the Bang & Olufsen sound system, 10 speakers. You know, the German manufacturers offer high-end sound systems, Bang & Olufsen, Bowers & Wilkins, all that kind of stuff. Now, we got Ford doing it on their all-electric. They're really trying. That's what this takeaway is for me. They're really trying to really get people to dig on this Mach-E crossover SUV. There it is, glass roof. I called it transparent, but yeah, it's a glass roof. With infrared reflective coating on the windshield it has. It says it's got a special coating designed to help the interior stay cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter as well. So there you go. It's an available panoramic fixed glass roof. So it's not standard. It's an available panoramic fixed glass roof. Okay, so what do we got here? We got some tiles here. Got a few tiles. So they got a gallery here. Let's take a look at the gallery. Yeah, let's take a look at the gallery. Wow, they have 40 slides. I don't know if we're going to be trying to go through 40 slides, but I guess we might be able to make it. The interior looks great. I think we're just going to kind of keep it moving. Looks awesome. You know what? This SUV is kind of growing on me. It's not unattractive. It really isn't. It's easily as attractive as the Tesla Model S and any other SUV for that matter, to be quite honest with you. There's that panoramic roof. It's very attractive in red. Nice seating, ambient lighting. Love that big 15.5-inch infotainment display. That's just sweet. The Sync 3 or whatever it's called. Maybe it's not called Sync 3 anymore. I think it's interesting that they show one on the out on the open road in the desert, right? Clearly not by any kind of charging station. You know, they put that out there for a reason, so we can see that it can go and travel, and you can take road trips on this thing. I wouldn't dare take a road trip, but yeah, there you go. Here's the interior, better shot from the driver's perspective. Looks pretty good. I didn't see any mention of a head-up display. I do see a digital speedometer right there, but I don't see any head-up display. So far, I think the Tesla is a better example. Doesn't mean that this isn't a good car. I just think that they have a better presentation. Maybe they just got a little more going on. Maybe this is a wireless charging pad here. It is, because it says 80% charge right on the phone. And, yep. And these are just glamour shots, we can call them. Here's your where you plug in and charge up. Here shows your range and your ground speed and your gear selection over there on the right. And it shows even temperature, outside temperature there. Apparently it's 80 degrees at the time of that one. The seats look very nice. I love the ambient lighting and the door pockets down there at the bottom. There's your little storage compartment. You can get one duffel bag in there. I can go to the gym. You can go to the gym. That's it. You can put some groceries in there though. You can put a lot of groceries down in there. Yeah, nice close-up shot of the 15.5-inch display. It's awesome, really. Yeah, looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Let's try to get through all these photos. We only got a few more. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. I think they already showed this one. I'm pretty sure they showed that one twice, but maybe not. Yeah, buddy. We made it. There's the Bang & Ol. It was worth it. We got all the way to the end to get to the Bang & Olufsen symbol. Alright, let's move on. Okay, other notable features. All-wheel drive capability. As we know, they come in rear-wheel drive, but you can option them with all-wheel drive. Luxurious use of space. What kind of cargo space are we talking about here? You got the front load system that gives you 4.8 cubic feet of storage space. Okay, real quick, before I forget, let's talk about interior comfort cargo. When they were talking about that little 4.8 feet of cargo space, that reminded me. Let's expand on that. The Mustang Mach-E, and talk about the battery, that kind of stuff like that, because we're getting ready to get towards the end to where we're going to actually configure this thing. So let's talk about a few more specs and specifics and important things. So the Mustang Mach-E's battery is located under the floor of the car, which allows for maximum cargo and passenger space. Unlike its exterior, the inside of the Mach-E has little in common with the regular Mustang. Its streamlined dashboard hosts an attractive digital gauge cluster and is dominated by a huge vertically mounted touchscreen. I should probably show that, shouldn't I? Yeah, we've seen it, but let's see it again real quick. Yeah, there it is. Okay, so, it's a streamlined dashboard, hosts an attractive digital gauge cluster, and is dominated by a huge vertically mounted touchscreen. Yeah, and a floating flip-up armrest on the center console allows a purse or other items to be stored between the front seat passengers. There's also many slick features that include customizable ambient interior lighting, heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, wireless charging, a panoramic sunroof, which I mentioned. The front trunk is made of durable plastics that can be rinsed and then drained, which allows storing ice and messy things. All right, and the Mustang Mach-E has 29 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seats and up to 60 with the back seats folded. There you go. I think we covered it all. We did. Now, let's configure that 2021 Mustang Mach-E Premium. We're going to do ours with an extended battery, all-wheel drive. We can see the setup here. So, standard range battery, rear-wheel drive, gives you 230 miles. Here's a standard range battery, all-wheel drive. That's an additional $2,700. And then let's get on to these other ones here. Let me scroll this way so we can get all the way there. And then there's the extended range battery rear-wheel drive for $5,000. And then here's the big boy. Extended range battery all-wheel drive costs you another $7,700. We're going to select that one. So let's go ahead and do that and move on. Okay, so we got that selected. We've got our battery selected. Now we're over here looking at paints. Exterior paint colors. Looks like all the exterior colors are going to cost a couple of dollars, except, well, I'm sorry, it looks like only Rapid Red, Star White, and Infinite Blue cost additional money. We can get Carbonized Gray, Shadow Black, Iconic Silver, or Space White at no additional cost. I kind of like the Infinite Blue. Let's go Infinite Blue. Let's go with the Infinite Blue and move on to the interior. Alright, so we went Infinite Blue, and I guess we either get the Light Space Gray or the Black Onyx. Let's go ahead and get the Black Onyx interior. I like that. That looks good. Oh, we can do a little virtual walk around there, or virtual view of the interior for the 2021 Mustang Mach-E. Crossover SUV is what it is. Alright, so we got the Black Onyx interior, and I guess that's really about it. Now they say reserve, so that's really it. So we really couldn't do much of a, I guess we could do a build, and I guess we did get the price, and I guess if you really wanted one, you had to put down a $500 deposit at this point if you want one of these bad boys. That's cheaper than what Tesla's asking, and here are some specs on that. Configured options, and all of that. Key features we have down here, and I kind of went over a lot of that stuff. Hands-free foot-activated liftgate, panoramic glass roof, heated steering wheel, Active Park Assist 2.0, that 360-degree camera, Bang & Olufsen sound system. Additional features, comfort package, extended range battery. There's that Ford Copilot 360 stuff right here. We already went over that. The LED lights, phone as a key, wireless device charging. Yeah, all the goodies right there. So there it is, my friends. We took a look at the 2021 Mustang Mach-E. We did a build-in price of the Premium. And yeah, it's pretty cool. Is it nicer than the Tesla Model S with autopilot? I don't know. You decide. I did a build-in price on it. So I've already put a link up. I put a link up to some of the Tesla playlist already, so you can check out other Tesla products, so you can compare their fit, finish, quality, and features against this one. You can go do that now. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up. I'm going to tell you to have a nice day, and I'll see you on the very next video. Thank you for watching. If you're still here, you're awesome. Please like, share, and subscribe.